So hello beautiful people, let's make this yummy and delicious shawarma without using any chicken. One thing with shawarma, you don't need chicken to make a delicious shawarma. You can use any filling of your choice. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepare this yummy and delicious shawarma. To proceed, I have some onions, so I'm going to be slicing some onions here. So I'm not going to be using too much vegetables, but you can use any vegetable of your choice as much as you want. This is what I want, so this is what I'm going to be using here. So I'm going to be using onions, tomatoes, and green pepper. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. So this is how you can store your green pepper and it will come out so fresh every time. I've had this for like 2 weeks and it's still looking fresh. Just wrap it in your kitchen paper and just leave it in your fridge and it will stay longer. So here I'm going to be using eggs. So I'm going to be frying some eggs here. So I have 2 eggs here. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and then after I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Yeah, we want it to be a little bit hot here, not too much here. So after, I'm going to mix everything together and then I'm going to fry the egg here. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to flip egg, don't worry, just get yourself a plate and then place it on top of the egg and then you turn it. That's it. I'm going to do it for you guys to see. Yeah, if you're a beginner and you don't know how to flip egg, this is how you're going to flip your egg and it will come out so good. Yeah, so good, guys. This is how you just place your plate and then turn it. That's it. Voila, you see. You don't have to mess your eggs here. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share and drop us a comment, and also don't forget to like here. If you are watching on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also if you are watching on our page, don't forget to follow for more recipes like this here. So as you can see, so after frying the eggs, so I proceeded to the vegetables here. So I sauteed these vegetables for like 5 minutes here. Then I went in with my sardine here all together. So I sauteed this for like 7 minutes here. I didn't take much long because I didn't want the vegetable to go soft here. So after, I added a little bit of pepper and then that's it here. I'm going to mix everything together and voila, our food is ready here. So here I have my tortilla bread, I added my egg, and then I'm going in with the vegetables here. It was so delicious and yummy. Yeah, guys, trust me, this shawarma was delicious. You can try it and you will love it here. So here after, I'm just going to roll the the shawarma how I want it. So you can roll it how you want it here. I wanted to surprise my husband this morning and he got back home and he said it was too much as breakfast, so this man didn't eat. So I wanted to pair this with oats for him, so he ate only the oats and left this shawarma. But guys, I had half of it and it was so good, it was delicious. So after, make sure you have pots already on the fire and then you are just going to heat this up a little bit here. Make sure your heat is not too much so that it doesn't get burnt here. So here, as you can see, this is how it's looking. So here I'm going to just heat it a little bit and then voila, our shawarma is ready. This shawarma was yummy, it was so delicious. I enjoyed it. Yeah, I wish I had made more, but guys, it was, trust me, it was delicious. So this is how it's looking here. So I'm going to cut it so that you guys can see the middle, how it's looking. So guys, if you have watched this video to this part, please don't forget to share, like, and drop us a comment here. So this is how it's looking, guys. See how filling this is looking, and it was delicious and yummy, guys. This is how it's looking. Hi, I can cook for Africa. So this is what I was supposed to serve him, but he had only the oats and left the shawarma. Thank you for watching. Bye.